Glock on my hip when I head out.
It's new gun day. Welcome back to channel, folks. In today's episode we have a PCP pistol from Snowpeak. This is the PP20 in 177 with the silver accent, and you've got the wooden grip. This is right-handed, so we're going to try something slightly different in that I'm going to see if I can shoot better right-handed. I'm ambidextrous, but my left side is my strong side and where I normally gravitate to shooting. But with the way that this grip is molded, not going to happen. So let's have a look at some shots of this, and then we'll take it to 10 meters, see what I can do, and have a conclusion. Let's take a look.
Introducing the Snowpeak PP20 pre-charged pneumatic air pistol in 177 caliber, a precision-focused pistol designed for target and training use. Weighing approximately 1.1 kilograms, it offers excellent balance and control straight out of the box. The PP20 delivers smooth, consistent performance at around 7.5 joules, ideal for indoor ranges and club shooting. The precision barrel and regulated air system help maintain tight, repeatable shot groups, shot after shot. An ergonomic hardwood grip provides comfort and stability, while the fully adjustable match trigger allows you to fine-tune the feel to suit your shooting style. Add in adjustable open sights for precise elevation and windage control, and the Snowpeak PP20 becomes a reliable, confidence-building platform for anyone stepping into precision air pistol shooting.
Something slightly different. We're here at 10 meters with the PP20, I think it is, in 177 from Snowpeak. It's a right-handed pistol, so I'm going to give you a bit of a thoughts and feelings around this pistol, but I'm trying to shoot right-handed for the first time. I'm ambidextrous. Being left-handed, that often means you have to try and do things the other way, and sometimes it works out better. So I'm going to shoot maybe 10 or so pellets through this, see how I shoot right-handed. This could change everything. So first things first, this PP20 has a right-handed molded stock or handle or whatever you want to call it. You have the ability to move this block up and down to get a perfect grip, and I just thought this would be a bit of fun. Let's have a look, see what I can do at this distance. I'm shooting the QIS Streamlined in 9.56 grain. First time I've shot them through this pistol, and I have only shot 3 pellets through this, just seeing if it's something that I could do. Single shot loader, you have your safety just under the loading trigger, and you have iron sights for this pistol. Let's give this a go, see what happens. Might help if I cock it properly. Oh, I might have emptied it. It definitely was wobbling all over the place there, so that shot is entirely me. What I'm finding is my right arm is slightly weaker. Missed. Let's calm down a bit, I think. Let's try again. So far, the answer is I'm absolutely terrible right-handed. Let's just rest that arm. It's feeling a bit fatigued. Okay. Oh, this is terrible. Incredibly humbling, put it that way. Let me just see something. I don't know why I'm missing it so badly now. Let me just do something. I feel like something is awry here. Okay, so it's running high. I need to try it a bit lower. Okay, I see what the problem was. Let's go back to the right hand. Couldn't hit a baked bean can at 5 meters with this at the moment. I think the answer is I can't shoot right-handed. I think we've answered the conundrum. What am I thinking about the pistol itself? Now, from a longevity perspective, it's quite weighty. This all in is quite a lot on my weaker arm, if you want. If I did a bit more workout, but I've maybe made like 10 shots, and I'm feeling it in the forearm, and that's me being a wuss. But from a design perspective, I like the wooden grip. Obviously I can compare it to the Mito, which has got an ambidextrous wooden grip. This is more adjustable. From that perspective, like, I feel like I get better accuracy with a shotgun at the moment. Okay, I'm kind of finding the point of aim. Gonna go take a little closer look, see how much I've sprayed that. Bear with me. I wouldn't be winning any competitions with this accuracy. What I might do is, I'm now kind of seeing where the accuracy lies. I'm going to change the target. I'm going to see how much air I've got in here. Let's put another 5 through it, see if I can get a bit of a group. Let's take a breather. Get ready for this. First shot. It's on paper. I missed about 5 or 6 a minute ago. Even further left, I am bouncing the trigger so that I'm not squeezing it. Okay, top right. think that's on the black somewhere. I can't see from back here. Last shot. Maybe I want to just do 2 or 3 more, see how my accuracy is. This pellet looked like a bit of a dodgy skirt, actually. The weight is really getting to me on it. Where is the weight? It's very much at the front, which is not a bad thing. I'm just not very strong in my right arm, like I said. All right, safety on. I'm gonna go have another quick look, and then we'll do a bit of conclusion. Changed my mind, you know? Not a group, I wouldn't call that a group by any sense, but I've got 3 in the black circle, 1 in the bull. Definitely had worse left-handed. Right, let's have a conclusion of the Snowpeak, I keep forgetting the name of it, PP20 in 177. Cheers. All right, quick conclusion on this PP20. As again, I keep saying these are product overviews rather than reviews because it's all about my feelings and giving you an opportunity to see these things up close and personal. I'm not very good at pistol shooting, as we can see, but this has made me think in 177 that I might be able to, I definitely could improve my accuracy. It's got me thinking maybe I should try shooting right hand, maybe strengthening my right arm. But I've enjoyed trying this, and I think for me it's about dialing in this 0. I was having to aim in the very bottom right hand corner of that quadrant, right quadrant, so I could dial that in with you've got the adjustable sights on the back here, but quite enjoyable. I've had a number of comments on when I posted this on Instagram as a visual, really poorly accuracy, not great, yada yada. I have to say that it's no worse than anything I've shot already, and if anything I saw an improvement in accuracy very quick over the 2 cards that I shot. So for the price, you could get something like a Mito. They do come with a buttstock if you get the synthetic. There's just something about this molded grip. I do like it. I like the block, and I think it's more of a adjustable solution for people. You can obviously take this off, and I could buy it left-handed, but it has given me food for thought. Maybe I should try shooting right-handed. That's it. As always, thank you to the Surplus store for allowing me to get access to these pistols. Thank you for those of you that subscribe. I am on a bit of a journey to get to 20,000 subscribers. Once I hit 15,000, then I'm going to do a giveaway for every 1,000 I reach, or maybe do 5 for reaching that 20,000. So if you don't subscribe, I've got some good things to give away once I reach that point. Scopes, maybe a rifle, we'll see, but it's on you to subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'm going to sign off with shoot safe. Stay safe, catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.